Hi, I'm Bindya from Space Fiction Studio. Me and my partner Baba Sashank started this studio in 2015 in Hyderabad. Today, I'm going to talk about one of our residential projects, the Never Apartment. We were approached by a joint family of 3 generations who were shifting to the newer, growing part of the city. Having been used to living in a horizontal expanse in their previous home, moving meant building a vertical settlement. As the city keeps expanding, the land parcels are becoming more expensive and smaller. While the family sizes remain almost the same, living in a vertical typology is creating a disconnect within. Nowadays, members of the same family are living in an apartment, being apart. This project is our attempt to reduce this social isolation between the same family while having to live vertically so they are never really apart. So we call this the Never Apartment. It is a 500 square yard rectangular site with roads on the north and west. The remaining sides have buildings of same scale in close proximity. After the necessary setbacks were left, a grid of 4x3 was formed as the floor plate. This, when repeated over 4 floors, leaving the stilt, formed the shell of the building. From this, we started to remove some blocks on every floor to create double height volumes facing the road. Projection boxes were then added into these volumes to serve as secondary spaces. Above the stilt parking level, 2 floors are occupied by the older generation, which behaves as one unit, and the 2 floors above that act as another unit for the younger generation. Both the units have large central double height spaces within. Double height spaces on the outside connect the floors and in turn the units. Most of the living areas open onto these spaces. The kids can come out of the balcony and interact with the grandparents reading newspaper below and even get a whiff of what's cooking in the kitchen downstairs. These spaces are shielded with high walls and plants instead of railings to protect their privacy from the close surrounding buildings. The projection boxes on every floor have a different function. One is a prayer space, one is a sit out, and one is a bay window. The material palette is honest, a dominant white, which makes the space seem larger than it actually is. Flashes of turmeric yellow and earthy orange break this monotony, creating contrast and visual depth at required places of interest within the house. The furniture is kept to a bare minimum to avoid cluttering inside. A polyurethane based concrete flooring flows seamlessly through all the rooms except the bedroom on the 4th floor level, which has wooden flooring and a skylit coat of its own.